it up.
Got it.
You got that? Did you film it?
Yeah. Oh my God, so fast. We'll try again. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go.
Oh my God!
Find it. I got it.
Something trying to get in my brain. Found it.
Got it.
Found
Yep.
Yeah, I found it. Do you have any little spinny things like us?
Oh.
Oh,
Why have big one? Why have big one?
Should have bought some bigger ones.
Ooh!
Oh. Where it go? I see.
Behind. They disappeared. How many is there?
I don't know. I got them. I got them all. I got them all. I got them all.
I got my ear.
Shut.
Wait, is that another one the same thing?
Yep. It's
Shut.
all the same.
7 again? But it's different.
No, it's 10.
Hey! There's something different.
Oh my God, that one was up farther.
Yeah.
A little bit.
Higher than the other one.
I got them.
Oh, 2 at the same time.
I got them. I got them all.
There's not that much people coming down.
I got them all.
Are you going to stop the video? Because please don't. Oh, I think he's doing a mega large one. Wait.
Wait,
is
what's
that?
that?
Night? Is that out for night?
Oh, I got a few more for tonight. But we won't be around.
Gavin, get out of the road.
No.
Wait, that's the one we have.
guys got it all back up.
Yeah, he's
Yeah,
filming
back
my
up from
YouTube
this
video.
one. Over there on the sidewalk, please.
Gavin.
Sidewalk.
Right here. Should be good.
Keep going, sidewalk.
Right here should be good, right?
A little further, please.
Right here at this line.
In case something happens, you gotta be back far enough.
Yep, at this line. Gavin, be back far enough.
Kiss me.
Yep. Yep.
Oh! Oh! I got it!
It's a Walmart. Yeah.
I got it!
Can't you just save those for next year and just keep? You have another one?
I don't know, you gotta ask him.
I had a couple.
Yeah, we have some.
You do?
We have some ammo. Yeah, right there.
Nice.
We can do another one
Okay.
after this. We got some shots fired.
Watch this one, guys. This is cool.
Got them.
All
You
the
filmed
big
it?
ones.
Yep.
Oh, you got another one?
Yeah,
What you
That's
got?
like 17.
we got a couple more that we're gonna wait till dark time though.
I want to stop the time.
Fireworks are fun. Yeah. And they're also beautiful. Are you scared? They're also beautiful as well.
Oh, guy does better than Logan.
Yeah.
He just threw his fingers to the like, can he throw?
Took him a few small ones to get used to it.
Hey, Gavin. Gavin, move. Good.
But when everyone's sitting out here watching, it's like, oh.
Not hard. Got them.
Yeah, more than? Oh, he gets the mega large one.
Oh, one month one. Okay, I got this.
Wait till dark. You got the whole
Wait, why here?
No, I'm waiting for the car.
Oh.
Will you? Can you be here for dark?
They're gonna go over to Duluth across the bridge for fireworks.
One firework at dark.
minute, but they're gonna go somewhere else to watch.
He said for a few more minutes.
Got them. Oh, wait, what? Wait, what?
I did it once.
There's 3.
Yeah.
Ow! Ow! You okay?
Now let Daddy do it.
I got it. I got
You
it.
got that one?
He filmed it. He filmed it. Do one of that one.
You want another one of these?
Oh no! Oh no!
Yeah, we're gonna say thank you and just let them do. I think they're probably gonna go watch fireworks.
Soon here, yeah.
You should save that one.
For next year.
This one right here.
Yeah, I'm too.
Yeah. Because I'm pretty sure you.
They don't work as good.
That one had 2 in 1.
Are you filming this?
Yep.
That one's higher. 6 minutes. We need to break our record and we need to get to 10 minutes.
Yes. Okay.
Don't. Okay.
Okay.
Can we do one?
Hello.
I think
I don't know if you have any more.
Wait. Is that the spinny thing?
Let's see.
Wait, I'm gonna go grab one of the spinny things.
There we go.
Where'd it go?
Yeah.
Probably not. It'd be okay if it didn't happen. I ain't got anything on me, so it's all gone.
Aiden's getting more.
Well, we won't be doing anymore, so.
Alright, now.
Captain Buzzkill right there.
Yo.
I got some fire. I got some.
Hey, Aiden, just stop. Stop.
Because there's a police car.
Yeah, let us stop.
Is that the law to do them on the road?
Nope. No,
Can you do them
What? Hey, here.
how's it going? Pretty good?
Alright, I see you got a mortar tube there. I saw you toss whatever firework that was that just went up in the
Yeah.
air.
Little zipper.
Just stopping to let you guys know, anything that leaves the ground is illegal.
Okay.
So I'm not going to cite you for it. I mean, obviously I have to come back. Different
Yeah.
story. Nobody called or anything, just happened to see it. So just figured I'd let you guys know.
Okay.
Like so no more flying things? Like
Yeah, unfortunately anything that leaves the ground, yeah.
Yeah.
So,
On the road? Why?
That's the rule.
yeah, the state doesn't like it, and then we also have a city ordinance against it. Basically,
do.
if they're doing it too, I can go talk to them if that's what you're going. Oh yeah.
They're only doing it
No, they're
fireworks.
doing small ones.
Small ones? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I mean, if you do see anybody else, just pass it along for us. It makes
Sounds good.
makes for a long night for us when we get people calling constantly. I know as
Yeah.
we're sitting here talking, they're popping off everywhere, but
Oh, for sure.
if I see it, I try to talk to people just so I avoid having to come back later.
Right.
All right. Any of you guys want tattoos?
Sure.
All right, give me a sec.
Is this a good enough firework?
As long as they don't leave the ground, you're fine, man.
Yep.
That means you can't
Ian,
jump. Can't
Ian.
jump around no more.
Almost 10.
Yes, we
Almost
can.
10.
Almost 10, but we're gonna do 20 minutes this time.
What?
20 minutes.
Yeah, join.
20-minute video.
Please call for that. Join me.
I'm opening up this.
Yeah, but we're gonna go inside for a little bit.
Can we do one more?
Yeah, and then we're gonna go inside.
Hello.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Can you get one for Logan too?
Thank you.
I have one for my brother.
You want one for your brother too? All right, perfect. All right, guys. Well, appreciate it. Like I said, I know it sucks because those, everything that goes in the air is the cool stuff.
Right.
So, but unfortunately, that's kind of where it's at.
We'll move our way to this.
Don't necessarily know their laws, but I'm pretty sure they go over there. But hey, I didn't hear nothing. So if that's what you want to do,
Hey,
good
look.
luck.
Thank you.
Have a good night, guys.
They do it right there.
You guys have a good night.
You too.
It was fun while it lasted.
Okay.
That I don't like that law. It's a horrible law.
Okay.
People just don't know what they're doing these days. They're just crazy.
Yeah.
Drive along with the bike. So maybe should we just leave the video today?
Yeah.
Wait, how much minutes?
10.
10? Yeah. 10? Get what?
Oh.
Doesn't matter. I don't care. It's just fun. It sucks. We're gonna probably head over to Duluth.
No, we're not going to Duluth. So.
Go to Grandma's house and just do this.
Really?
Yeah.
So we bought illegal fireworks.
Yeah, Captain Buzzkill told us not to do it.
Huh?
Okay, we pause here.
You say, Kyle?
The next one we can do.
Bye.
Well, shoot up there.